Yes, let's go, Lovey.
No one's out today because it's cold.
Yeah.
Oh look, you can little quarter in there. Feed the geese, ducks.
Uh-huh.
You want to?
25 cents. Wow.
But the ones at the bottom don't.
Oh.
Here, can you see it?
Whoa. Me, love. Me too. Give me some. Wow.
He's like, what about me?
Hi, guys. Whoa. Where'd the uncle?
He left.
Huh?
He left.
He left? Why he gave you love? Why he gave you?
To be nice.
Just to be nice?
They like to feed the ducks. I slipped him a 50.
Huh?
I gave him $100.
Yeah, someone gave... No, that's free, Lovey. Look at that. He's enjoying feeding the
You want to try it?
ducks.
They ate it so fast.
Okay, it's my turn. It's my turn, Lovey. My turn. It's getting cold. It's my turn.
I think they're freezing.
Whoa, that's so big. But it's so cold. We need to finish that. So they will become very
He's
full.
scratching his head.
Where?
One of the ducks.
Where?
He was scratching with his feet.
Where?
He already did it. The one with the orange feet.
Oh yeah, I can see. How about their lab so that they will follow us?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see if they're going
I'm
to
sure they'll
follow
follow
us.
us. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they are following us. They are so popular.
There's not much left.
We are so popular.
Watch this. See, they probably hear this. Man, they don't give me much for $40.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Like,
why.
He had probably like $10 worth.
Yeah. He gave you a
Hey,
lot.
look at the little ones. See the little ones?
Oh, give to them, Lovey. Yeah, give to the babies, love.
Yeah, the babies.
The babies here, babies. Okay, they are following us now.
Watch this.
They got scared. They got scared. Why you scared them? They got scared.
They eat fast. I got it.
Let's just walk around first here.
Man, over here. No fishing.
Yes.
I guess there's fishing here.
Wow, that's so big.
They're kind of aggressive. They're kind of aggressive.
Yeah. So they are ducks, geese, and...
They call them cobra chicken
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
because they're so violent.
Love, they are fighting.
Yeah. The geese are not nice. They're not very nice.
They are fighting.
Yeah. That's weird though.
freezing here, so let's go. We cannot stay longer. But they are so cute. Look at that.
Look, he's taking a bath. He's like putting water on his back.
So cold.